And Tower Canada 187, we are outside Dowg.
Canada 187, Vancouver Tower, runway 08 left, altimeter 2982, your number 1.
Okay, number 1, Canada 187.
Number 927, taxi Mike Juliet, hold short Lima. Canada 187, and my girlfriend's on that flight. I was going to propose to her while you were in the air, but chickened out.
That's bad. That's really, really bad. Give us her name and we're going to tell her that.
Well, is it too late?
Not too late. Not too late for anything. You know where she's sitting?
I think she's 25C. Her name's Christine Waters.
Yeah. Okay, we can do this. Stand by.
Nope.
Just give me the seat number again and just double check the name and I'm going to bring it up to the flight deck.
Seat number is 25C, and the name is Christine Waters.
Okay, stand by. You have a choice. We can put you on the microphone in front of the whole airplane or she can come to the flight deck. It's your call.
Well, put me in front of everybody.
Alright, that's that. Okay, my friend, you are on the whole airplane. So go ahead, do your thing.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your air traffic controller speaking to you from the control tower here at Vancouver Airport. I hope all of you have enjoyed your flight this evening with Air Canada from Montreal, and I welcome all of you to Vancouver. The reason I am speaking to you is because there's a very special lady on your flight this evening. Her name is Christine Waters. Christine, can you raise your hand, please? Way up, so everyone can see. Christine, I'm crazy in love with you. Can't imagine my life without you. Can't see me right now, but I'm down on one knee. Have a ring in my hand. Christine, will you make me the happiest man in the world and be my wife?
Everybody is jumping up and down and she said yes, I can hear all the way back here. I'll try to get the sound up to you in a minute.
Thank you.